Hello, guys. Guys, hello.
Start na ba tayo?
Yes.
Okay. Welcome sa ating BL at
CBTL, kahit pa ibos na inuwi ko.
So, ang ating
Story for today.
istorya for today is the Clumsy Omega, Dojiko Osan Omegaverse.
So, hopefully this time ako magkamali sa title.
So, summary.
Summary.
How can this man be so clumsy and shameless? An esteemed alpha is getting toyed with by this middle-aged Omega. Everyone looks up to the elite alpha Takamura, but he finds himself troubled by a certain someone. The person in question is Kazuma Oda, a clumsy middle-aged man who's employed in the company he manages. What's more, he's often dragging him into all kinds of steamy accidents.
Accidents ba talaga?
Accidents talaga. He gets pushed to the ground in the holes and sometimes even shows up with his body drenched in water. Is he doing it on purpose? When Takamura starts suspecting him, he finds out that Kazuma is actually a hardworking and earnest man. He's not supposed to be interested in old men, but new and foreign feelings are starting to stir. Wait, no. He can't let that happen. Just as
Sa summary yun. Wait, no.
Ito nakasunod ko. Just as he was struggling to resist, he happens upon Kazuma while he's going into heat.
Okay, kasi Omegaverse na pala yan.
Oh my gosh, siya. With babies.
Omegaverse with babies. Okay.
As mentioned, I don't think Kazuma is super clumsy. So, pag may hawak siya mga paperwork, maglalakad siya, medyo slightly naman madali. For sure, may mababangga siya.
Okay.
So, may instances na, ilang beses niya na din na pin down si Takuma.
Okay.
Takuma?
Kaya mo nalimutan niya agad yung pangalan, diba? Ang galing-galing talaga eh.
Harumi kasi natatandaan ko yung first name niya eh.
O di Harumi na lang.
Takamura. Mr. Takamura. Na ilang beses na nangyari yun sa kanya na. So, inisip nito, baka sinasadya.
Oo nga.
Kasi ganyan.
Kasi naman eh. Super
Tapos,
duper.
may instances na umaattend siya ng meeting na extremely wet. Ang kwento niya, nataihan siya ng...
Hindi mo niya talaga yung coffee niya doon?
Oo. Nataihan siya ng
Ang dami
crow.
Crow.
Oo, ng crow. Tapos, tinry niyang linisin, pero yung tubig bumulwak. Bumasa siya. Tapos may instances pa na naikwento niya na he's supposed to have like a retreat with
Office mates.
hindi office mates, hindi
rin? Ano ba yan? Tagal naman.
Sumabat. With business partners. So, they went sa onsen. Tapos, syempre, nadula siya nang nakabold. Napin daw niya yung CEO nung
Kabilang kumpanya.
yung business partners. So, ganun siya.
Ganun siya ka-clumsy.
So, lagi niyang pinagagalitan ito lagi pinagagalitan ni Takamura si Kazuma na why do you keep messing it up? Like, you should be wary of everything, ganyan. Tapos, every time na mangyayari, like itong meeting na to, meeting sila. Tapos nasipa ni Kazuma yung table. Natapon na siya ng tubig. Tapos, hinubad niya yung damit niya para punasan yung mukha ng boss. Yung Takamura.
Ano ba yan?
Tapos mga ganong mga...
Mali-mali talaga siya.
Clumsy talaga siya. Tapos, one night, meron silang company dinner. Usual company dinner.
Nabisay.
He's very kind. Tapos, kasi may katabi siyang office worker na office mate na babae na pinaiinom ng alak ng boss. So, syempre,
Siya yung kumiinom.
kinuha niya, tapos ininom niya gano'n, tapos binalig niya gano'n. Tapos nung nakita yun ni Takamura, parang nairita siya ba't yung ginagawa ni Kazuma. Kasi napunta siya ng toilet. Kasi nairita nga siya. Pagdating niya sa toilet, umatay si Kazuma. Basang-basa kasi naibuhos siya daw sa ulo niya yung beer.
Ano ba yan?
Kitchen lang beer.
Ano naman nangyari yun?
Tapos, sabi niya, tapos maya-maya, nakaamoy na ng sweet smell si
Ay, naku, yan
Si
na.
Takamura yan, he went in the heat. Tapos ang thinking nito, ang thinking nito ni Takamura na, is he just being clumsy again, or he's going to misusing his pheromones to be with Takamura kasi ang dami siyempre as an elite alpha, ang dami niya nang na-experience sa ganon.
Oo.
So they had sex. Pero ang sabi nung sa isip-isip naman ni Takamura, pwede niya namang meron siyang emergency suppressant, parang EpiPen. So then they had sex, and then after that, nung kinabukasan nagising siya, ang sabi niya, sorry about last night. I did not expect that to happen. So, you wanted to sleep with me, so you stopped taking your suppressants, right? Sabi ni Kazuma, not at all. So, Kazuma, Oda may be clumsy, but I would never have a one-night stand with someone I don't even like.
Ay, batay! Eh, di ano yan? Yung ego niya.
Sabi niya,
Daling-daling.
I've been taking suppressants since I was 10 years old, and I've never missed a single dose ever. Not at all. Sabi niya ganun. Then, how did this happen? So, they went to the doctor together. Tapos, sabi ng doctor, it seems like your suppressants, the one that you're taking, has parang stopped working on you.
So, he has to change it.
So that's why you went into heat. Sabi pa nung doktor na, it's great that you are with your partner during your heat anyway. Sabi ni Takamura, sabi ni Kazuma, can't you see that it's not okay? That's not the case. He's not my partner. He's an elite Omega, blah, 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 ganyan.
Dami niya na drama sa buhay.
So, ngayon, nagsorry ngayon to si Takamura na, sabi niya na, I'm sorry I didn't take your consent. You weren't in your right mind, but ganyan. He's a very green flag. He's an extreme green flag, actually. So, ganun na usual na mga nangyayari sa kanila. Since he went into heat, hindi stable yung pheromones niya. And then, nung pinauwi siya, kasi nagpunta sa hospital, pinauwi na siya para to take a week-long heat leave.
Heat leave? Buti gano'n?
May ganun talaga sa ibang
universe.
Lalo na pagka work-related, mga ganyan. May mga heat leave siya. So, ang instance nito nag-asikaso nung paperwork siya si Takamura na. Tapos, nung papauwi na siya, sabi kasi sa kanya ni Takamura, tawagan siya.
It to work talaga?
Ha?
It to work?
Hindi.
Ano?
Parang heat leave.
Hindi, after that.
Anong heat
wala.
leave?
Sige, continue. Never mind. I misheard. Sige na, go.
So, sabi niya, pag pauwi ka na, tawagan mo ako, I'll drop you off. Sabi ni Takamura sa kanya. Sabi ni Kazuma, sa isip ni Kazuma, I can't bother him anymore. Blah, blah, blah. So, nag-subway siya. Nag-train siya.
Paano yun?
Apo tayo na lolo mo. Siyempre, nung he spontaneously went into heat, yung mga lalaki doon sa train station, sa loob ng train mismo, ginugroup na siya. He was almost like, penetrated talaga. Buti dumating ito si Kazuma. Bigla, si Takamura, ang isip, parang nga siya, lagi siya nag-teleport. Parang lagi siyang andyan kapag in trouble like how? Diba?
Ba to?
Ano na ba?
Hindi, pinapakinggan ko lang. Part ng survey. So nga. Okay, never mind.
Tapos, nag-sorry si
Pasaway
si Kazuma, as usual, ganyan. So, wala naman nangyari sa kanila. But then, after that, nagpunta si Kazuma sa doktor. Gusto niya manghingi ng stronger dose. O stronger medicine. Tapos sabi niya nung doktor sa kanya, you know the side effects. You'll be infertile and everything like that.
What the fuck's that? Ganun pala yung hangin? Narinig mo? Parang may nag-scratch sa window.
Baka yung puno.
Wala kang, may puno ka nakikita.
Sa gilid.
Anyways, continue.
So, pumasok siya sa work, he looks as clumsier than before, more clumsy. So, extremely clumsier than before.
Okay.
So sabi nung kanyang unofficial, Kazuma Protection Club,
May gano'n.
oo, kausapin daw siya nung best friend. Best
Okay.
friend niya is a beta.
Okay.
Pero anong nangyari, parang inamin niya syempre kay best friend daw
Na?
na he slept with Takamura.
Oh my God.
Kay,
Okay.
kay manager Takamura or CEO Takamura or something.
Uh-huh. And
So,
then?
sabi ni friend, why don't you try it with me? Baka,
Ay, gano'n.
Oo.
So, may hidden agenda si friend pala.
tapos sabi niya, he's out of your league, ganyan-ganyan. He's 10 years younger than me, and he's a successful alpha, so, sa kanya, he's not supposed to be with me kasi nga,
Nga naman.
mm,
He's an Omega.
he's far too,
Tough. Pero di ba,
he's such a
kung
elite.
ang Omega magpo-partner sa Beta, parang wala lang din.
O parang wala na. Pero depende sa world.
Sa world na yan.
Na walang sinabi.
Okay.
Ito sabi ni ito sabi ni best friend daw. Sinubukan niyang, syempre sinubukan niyang,
They tried.
oo,
He tried.
sinubukan ni best friend daw na makapag-judge dito kay,
Pero Wipek.
pero sabi nito ni, sabi ni Kazuma, sabi ni Kazuma na pheromones ang reason kaya you're acting weird, ganyan. Tapos sabi nito ni friend na, isn't that why you slept with Takamura-san? Sabi niya, parang, tama ka na baka pheromones nga, but I love him, I've always loved him, ganyan. Kasi ever since I first met him and until now, with his determination and awkward kindness, my heart won't beat for anyone but him. Tapos as usual, dumating na naman si Takamura. Sumulpot na naman si Takamura.
Nandun na naman
Tapos
siya.
yun, nagulpi itong si Suzuki, si best friend ko, no? Tapos, as usual, napagalitan siya ni
Kazuma na naman.
ni Kazuma na, ni Takamura.
At Takamura.
Na, didn't you get enough on the train? How can you lock yourself up with another man when you're still not stabilized yet?
Oo nga naman.
Don't you ever learn?
Sa kanila, affected din yung Beta pala talaga. Okay.
So, ano nangyari? Sabi niya na, oh, you're here, parang, I need to give you something because you're my visitor, blah, blah, blah. Bibigyan niya ng puding.
Puding?
Nung una pa na, magpapalit daw siya ng damit kasi nadumihan siya, whatever, ganyan, something.
Mm.
Pagbukas niya ng closet niya, nalaglag lahat ng damit na ganyan.
Ang kalat.
Tingnan mo, oh.
Basta may
Sabi niya,
bakit may ganun
ito
damit?
yung mga damit na binigay sa kanya ng mga kasama niya every time na he goes into a retreat.
Bakit pa
With
babae?
his, they were all gift from Suzuki or client CEOs. So I just couldn't throw them away. And I got this cat ears last year, ganyan. So everyone loved it. So, nakabold pa rin siya pero susot niya yung cat ears. Tapos, bibigyan niya ng puding si Takamura.
Ang ganda sa balat itong pants na to, so. I really like it. Ang ganda niya.
Bibigyan niya ng puding si Takamura. Tapos sabi ni Takamura, ayaw niya, Tapos sabi, you don't eat that, blah, blah, blah. Tapos, as usual, clumsiness.
Dadapa na naman siya.
Tumapon yung
Tsaa.
Hindi, puding nga. Ano ba?
Kasi mukhang tsain lalagyan, no?
Puding. Lalagyan puding. Kasi
Okay.
sabi niya, oh, it's cold, it's sleeping, what should I do?
Nakakaloka.
It's sleeping down my body.
Baliw lang. Pero sinasadya niya nga talaga kung iisipin, no?
Sadya, unfortunately.
Baliw lang.
Tapos yun, as usual, may nangyari sa kanila, ganyan. Tapos,
Baliw naman kasi.
sabi naman ito ni Takamura, na, I'm not nice. I don't worry about someone just because I slept with them. Besides, I can usually suppress my instincts even without drugs when an Omega is in heat.
Mm-hmm. Pero sa kanya
So, yet when I'm with you, even after I take the drugs, the feeling won't go away. So,
So, alam na this.
Na-realize din nito ni Takamura na he is also
Mhm.
in love
Yeah.
with Kazuma Oda. Sabi niya, yun, may nangyari sa kanila as usual.
Again?
Oo. So, second time pa lang naman to. Tapos yun nung pagising niya kinabukasan, may na-receive na text ito si Takamura.
Mm.
Sabi doon sa text, this is the list of arranged marriage partners.
Wala.
They're all Omegas from some very successful families, and I'm sure they'll help you grow in your career. I'll be waiting for your reply. So, ang lolo mo, nag-self-pity, at tinaguan si
Ano mo yan?
Takamura. Umuwi siya sa family business nila. So,
Okay.
yung family business nila is an old inn.
Okay.
Pero,
So, kung tutusin, hindi pala niya kailangan magtrabaho.
kailangan niya pati magtrabaho because ang sabi nito,
Hindi siya
sabi
pwede
ng
sa interview,
kapatid
tirain
niya,
niya yung ano.
sabi ng kapatid niya, we're running a retro, parenthesis, rundown, family-owned inn in a humble town, remember? Yung ganyan. So, doon, as usual, every time na maglalakad siya,
Clumsy
may
na yan.
hawak siyang
Natatapon niya, no?
boat, sushi boat, may hawak siyang mga plato. Yung sushi boat,
Bakit sa katawan niya lagi? Kasi sinasadya niya talaga yata yan eh. Luloko yata tayo niyan eh. Sa katawan niya, ano ba yan?
ganda. Ayan, nadapa siya.
Bakit sa katawan niya lagi
Nadapa
napupunta, nakakaloka.
Tumapon sa kanya yung sushi boat.
Parang tanga lang eh.
Tapos yun, may nakilala siya, foreign father and son. Si Alan at si Gary ba to? Something. So, one time, nililinis niya yung shower room. Nakalimutan niya ilagay yung like cleaning sign. I forgot to put out the sign. Tapos, as usual, nadulas siya. Tapos, he went into heat. Kasi itong dalawa, parehong alpha.
Yung mag-ama?
So, they almost had sex with him. Pero na-assault na siya. So, ang thinking niya, if I let myself drown in pleasure, then maybe I can finally forget everything.
So,
Tapos,
hinayang.
as usual, dumating si Takamura.
Ano ba yan? Nag-teleport niya yata siya. Ano to?
Tapos yun,
Kaya hindi yung talent niya yung teleportation.
tapos umalis na yung
Yung
tapos
mag-ama.
sinuntok niya yung mag-ama. Pero yung tatay sinuntok niya. Tapos parang gusto niyang gulpihin ganyan, pero hindi, pinigil na siya ni
Kaya
Kazuma.
hindi rin naman nila kasalanan do. Of sorts.
Well, of sorts, yes. Pero kasi,
You should be able to control yourself, ba?
oo. Especially, ganyan, ang sisi talaga is sa Omega. Laging gano'n.
Hindi, yun nga inisip ko, kasi they were meant to, like, yung excretion nila na yon, yung pheromones nila na yon, it's supposed to really attract.
Oo.
The question is, kapag nag-pheromones, kaya ba ng alpha na i-disregard?
May depende sa individual. Kasi ito si Takamura, he could.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
So, may mga instances na depende sa world. Pwede naman sila mag-take ng suppressants. So, pwede ding emergency suppressants.
Para hindi sila
Oo.
affected or
Or they could just leave.
oo nga naman. True
Diba?
naman.
Tapos yun, so as usual, may nangyari ulit sa kanila. Parang sinasabi lang nila na it's okay, I'll wait for you for your feelings to catch up with, right? Ganun pa siya. Something. Tapos, of course, may nangyari sa kanila. And then, kinabukasan pagising niya, fiancé na siya.
Sino?
Engaged na sila.
Paano nangyari yun?
Sinabi lang ni Takamura sa parents ni na he is the fiancé, ganyan. So,
Okay.
sabi niya, di ba?
Engage siya nang wala siya kalamalam, no?
Sabi nga ni Takamura sa kanya, I'm willing to take things slow, I'll wait for you, blah, blah, blah. Kasi sabi niya,
Wait for
Sabi
you, pero
ni-
engage ka.
ito sabi ni Takamura, well, you said we'll take, ni Kazuma, you said we could take things slow, didn't you? So, sabi niya, I'm taking things slowly and waiting for you, aren't I? until your feelings naturally begin to lean in my favor. However, in the event that you try to run away from me again, I decided it's best to keep you securely contained.
Securely content. Ano ba yun?
Kasi, ano yan,
Habulin siya ng aksidente talaga.
pagbalik
no?
daw nila ng city, they're going to live together.
Ah, okay.
So they did start living together, and very maasikaso si Takamura. Like, every time,
Siya yung luto and all that.
pagsisilbihan siya, ganyan. Kasi nga, he's extremely clumsy. Tapos, he always goes to the gym, ganyan. Pero pinayagan niya mag-gym. One time, pinayagan niya mag-gym. Tapos, pagdating niya sa gym, sumama si Takamura. Pagdating siya doon sa gym, andun lahat ng mga CEOs na nakilala niya.
Okay.
And they
Yung mga
call him
clumsy hand niya.
Kaz.
Kaz?
So, Kaz. Is
Okay.
it Kazuma? Kaz. Palayo sa kanya, Kaz. So,
Kumakaz. Oh.
bakit may tumilit na tayo? So, ang system mo, paano ito? They were the ones who always go on a yearly trip with Kaz.
Sila yung nagbibigay.
Oo,
Manigaling.
exactly. Tapos ito yung picture nung one time na nag-dress up nila siya.
Siya naman agree lang.
Oo, wala niya.
Itsura niya.
Yan, yung bunny costume. So, pagbalik nila ng bahay, he, of course, told Kazuma to wear the same thing. So, yeah, sabi ni Takamura ganyan. And then, after that, like in the next few days, nag-decide si Takamura na ipamit yung parents niya. Sabi niya, I would like you to meet my parents. They're here for blah, 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 ganyan. So, they did.
Mm.
And then, doon sa meet up na yun, nag-propose siya. So, in the proposal, they were supposed to be together in the water. Kasi na para siya na may pond. Pero syempre, kailangan mapunta silang dalawa doon sa pond. Sabi nito, nung uncle, after that, sabi nung uncle na, sabi ito, that was an outstanding proposal. You really did him with any other choice, just like my brother. So, what would you have done if he didn't fall in the lake? The projection required both of you to be in water. I trusted Kazuma. The clumsy side of him, the clumsy side of him, that is.
Will eventually fall.
So, sabi nga ni Kazuma kasi, if there's a banana there, I will step on it and slip. Even if there's no banana there, I will slip.
Ito doon ng manga na yan. Wow, nakunumin.
Huh? So yun, di ganun yung nangyari. And then, after that, dahil nga medyo ingrande yung proposal, they started living together talaga na permanently na. Every day, sabi nito na,
Buti yung parents hindi no?
Yung parents wala, okay na sa kanya yung parents. Kasi pala, yung isa sa mga CEO friends niya, gym buddies niya, isa sa mga CEO na gym buddies niya, nag-offer na makipag-partnership sa kanila because of Kazuma.
Kaya gano'n.
So, whatever happens, he's secured. Kasi ang tuwing sa kanya nung CEO na yon, like a grandson.
Grandson na pinagsusot ng bunny costume.
Ang malindi ba yan? Sabi nung CEO na yon, na CEO or something, if he was only younger, he would have gone for Kazuma. Sabi niya gano'n.
So at least may siya. So in fairness, yung sa matanda,
Sabi nung matanda naman na I leave him in your care. You have to protect him at all times because I couldn't do it anymore because I'm old. Yung gano'n. So
talagang gusto niya si Kazuma.
Kazuma. Tapos, after nung engagement nila, lagi siyang umaten ng etiquette na I'm off to study tea etiquette with your mother. I'm going to my weekly English meeting. So, lagi siyang busy ganyan.
Dami na niya
Tapos
ginagawa.
yung pala, nagpaplano siya ng proposal for
baliktad na proposal.
Kasi parang gusto niyang since he's always been the receiving end of goodness, gusto niyang i-repay yun. Pero yung plano ng mga matatanda, kasi syempre yung friends niya,
Baby siya ng mga yun
So ngayon gym buddies ito. wear sexy see-through lingerie, and greet him at the door with some after-hours entertainment. Surprise him with a bunny costume. Wear nothing but an apron and ask, would you like your bath, your dinner, or how about me?
Training yan.
So,
Nakakaloka talaga.
so he decided that, sabi niya, I'm also a man, I have to do something, blah, blah, blah. I'll take in any suggestions, sabi ka na ni Kasama.
Malanda.
Ano na,
Suggestions talaga.
ito na nung tumawag na si Kazuma na parang,
Pauwi na siya.
hindi, tumawag si Kazuma kay Takamura. When are you coming home? It's been a while, so I'm going to cook for us. Ganyan, sabi ni Takamura sa isip-isip niya. Kasi sinundan niya eh. Tataka na siya kung bakit laging, laging late umuwi, ganyan. Tapos, di nalaman niya yung plano. Nung tinawagan siya ni Kazuma, isip-isip niya, finally, ito na. Magpa-propose na siya. Pagdating niya sa would you like your bath, your dinner, or how about me? Sinabi niya talaga yung like niya. Super sexy apron niya, no? Not wearing nothing but an apron.
Masunurin ako masyado to.
Siyempre, ito si Takamura, he had to be patient kasi may mga plano itong si Kazuma. So, they had dinner. And then, may dessert pa daw sila. Siyempre, nagpigil na naman, may wine. Naglabas muna ng wine. And of course, natapon yung wine. Natapon yung wine. So, super serious pa din yung itsura ni Titinry niyang, sabi niya na, there's still some left of the wine you kind of poured on yourself. Then they did it again. Sabi niya, there's still dessert. There's still dessert.
Natapon din.
Hindi natapon yung dessert. And inano niya na yung dessert. Tapos pag-open niya, pag gano'n niya pag-slice niya ng cake, walang laman, wala doon yung ring.
Nasaan yung ring?
Nakalimutan niya yung ilagay. Tapos ito, nakita niya yung ring sa may countertop. Di nung kukunin niya, nabluksan niya gano'n, nalaglag yung ring.
Saan?
Sa ilalim ng sofa. Ikano niya sa ilalim ng sofa. Hindi ko na niya.
Nakakaloka.
Super pa din
Seryoso pa din.
super control pa din siya. So, he's too airheaded, too much of a klutz, too cute. Ano yan, di nakuha na yung sing-sing. Kinuha na siya. Ano yan,
Nakakaloka. Mga ba yan?
Mga 12 chapters, 13 chapters. Pero, ano naman So, yan. Di okay na, di nakapag-propose na. Sabi niya, so you gave me this one, so I tried making a matching ring. I love you. I have nothing but flaws, but will you marry me? So sabi niya, for so long, I've wanted to hear those words. And of course, nag-text silang ganyan. Tapos, yung next volume na to, hindi pa pala, wedding. Extra na to eh. Episode 7, at chapter 7. Nung araw ng wedding, of course, super clumsy siya. Sabi nito nag-prepare siya ng 3 kimono just in case.
Tapunan mo siya, ipapalit siya.
Ayan. Everything, parang siya, rapid back and forth between the clumsy Omega and the Elite Alpha. So, nalaglag sa upuan, nalaglag yung yung wine
na salon niya. Ang galing din.
Tapos ito, yung cake, lang siya, styro lang siya kasi daw ini-expect niya na mangyayari yon. The actual cake will be served to the guest, pero yung icing lang ang laman, yung topping lang, yun na. Lumabas, parang, yun na yung,
Nakakaloka.
parang tawag yung
Celebratory lang na.
cake exchange,
whatever.
Okay na daw yun. Yan, after that, nagpalitan sila. And then, nothing really happened after that. So, nung nagpalitan sila, yan na.
Yung tuxedo na, okay.
So, nothing else happened.
Wow.
Oo.
Di mala.
Ito na. Magsispeech na itong si Kazuma. Sabi niya, I never did get an opportunity to say this, but I want to take this moment to tell you everything I couldn't before. Yes, I'm 11 years older than you, and I'm just a middle-class guy. I thought I didn't suit you, so I avoided facing you. But all this time we spent together, made me realize that there's a burning passion in my heart
Burning
that I could
passion.
never give up. I'd like to show you my resolve and willingness to do what it takes so that I can stand proudly beside you. And to show you my gratitude. Thank you for being there to help me. Thank you for waiting for me to be ready. Thank you for loving me. I know it's not just Omega Instinct. It's coming directly from my heart. I want to stay by your side for the next 20, 10, 20 years and more. Will you marry me? So, pero yun, kasal na sila.
Yung ba yung mga oldies?
Yeah, he's... Ito dalawa yung oldies. Tapos ang nangyari, he went into heat. Of course, he went into heat. So, may prepared naman ng mask si Takamura for that situation. Ito yung si CEO Aichi, yung isa sa mga tumulong sa kanila. Sabi niya, Kazuma is not just my friend, but he's like my grandson. I've always reached for his happiness. I would never lose my reasoning from something so trivial. That's why you must marry me. So, and then ito yung friend.
Yung best friend ko, no?
Yung best friend ko, no? Dinagawa niya sila. So, sabi nito, you can't just look down on someone because of their dress and still ripe and ready. It's not all about size. There's love and experience. Go down and hold you. Kasi, dami nila.
Yung mga best friends.
Hindi, yung mga
gym buddies.
Mga gym buddies and everything, ganyan. So, yun. Okay na, as usual. He went into heat. They had sex, blah, blah, blah. And then the next volume, they already have a kid.
Oh.
So,
kaya pala siya medyo mahaba. Kasi may next part of their life.
Pinakita lang yung daily life. Usually, he's clumsy, ganyan.
Sana hindi nakuha ng anak na rin clumsiness, no?
Yung first child nila is an alpha. And he's doing his best. Well, parang may times na hindi gusto sa kanya nung bata. Kasi he's quite clumsy. Yan, di ba?
So naman nun?
Hindi. Nung baby pa, parang medyo na, yung bata na sa kanya, pagka siya yung nag-aalaga, hindi agad natutulog, ganun. Pero pag yung tatay yung si Takamura yung nag-aalaga,
tulog agad.
Tulog, oo. Tapos magaling mag-change ng diaper, magaling sa lahat. Because he's an elite alpha, he can do everything, ganyan. So, edi, okay na. Dumating yung pinsan. Kasi itong pinsan na-meet niya na before, nung buntis pa lang. Nung una, he's very worried na baka magalit or ma-disappoint si Takamura na buntis siya, ganyan. Pero he turns out that he is actually happy. And then, dumating yung lola. Sabi ng lola, kasama yung pinsan na, I need you to leave my son. I'm my grandson. Because
parents ko walang kontra eh.
Hindi, parang I want to take care of you as best as possible because you're pregnant with my grandson.
So sa kanya tumira, parang ganon.
Oo. Leave Takamura and I'll take you with me to the UK.
Okay.
Parang I'll give you the best care possible, blah, blah, blah.
Para lang sa apo.
Para sa apo. Tapos nun, inanuhan niya, sinerba niya ng tea, natapunan niya. Natapunan niya yung
as usual.
Maganda. Tapos, sabi niya, I'll give you a change of clothes. Ang binigay sa kanya, silver shirt. Ano ba yan? Tapos, tawa ng tawa yung pinsan. As usual, tawa ng tawa. Tapos, nung nagagalit na yung matanda, sumuka siya. Kasi he has
morning sickness.
Oo, matindi yung morning sickness niya. Kaya tawa lang ng tawa yung pinsan. Pero sabi naman ng lola na, I admire the fact that you're not really going to leave my son over anything. My grandson over anything. Tapos yun. Itong pinsan naman, parang nagustuhan din siya dahil sa clumsiness niya and everything. May charm talaga daw yung clumsiness niya.
Very candid siya eh. Sa komedyante talaga.
But he said na it's always nice na parang he's been accepted, ganyan. Tapos, kumakain sila as usual. And then, ito nangyari, naman,
Tapo na naman.
di kumakain siya. Ang dami niya kinakain kasi nga buntis siya.
Oh.
He has cravings, ganyan. Nung kukunin niya na isang strawberry, syempre tumalon. Nung kukunin niya na, ayan.
Ano nangyari? Ba't nahubadan siya?
Parang sumabit ba?
Ano ba yan?
Nung tumayo siya. Ganun.
Kakaloka naman yan.
So, yan. Nung malaki na ngayon yung bata, tawag dito, always gusto ng bata na nasa kanya lang.
Ayaw na doon sa tatay.
Ayaw na doon sa tatay. They're rivals na ngayon. So,
Rivals na talaga.
they're rivals daw. Tapos
Kasi alpha nga siya.
Oo. Parang, Daddy Kazuma is mine. Ito to mo. Ito yung si Soma.
Mm.
So, Daddy Soma was gone. When I woke up, I'm scared. Tapos yan, okay, let's sleep together. Sino mo? Good luck, Daddy Harumi. Your next rival is your own son. Hindi, ganun.
Kakaloka.
Okay naman ang relationship nila. Pero yun nga, parang ang tingin sa kanya ng bata, kompetisyon. Kasi nga, extremely
Pare silang alpha kasi.
extremely clumsy ito si Kazuma. Tapos yung bata, wants to protect him, ganyan. Tapos, they went to the mall. Tapos, parang, parang mga extra na lang itong part na to eh. So, they went to the school festival, sports festival. As they went to the mall.
Ito lang anak nila, naging dalawa.
Magiging dalawa. So, ito at the moment, isa pa lang. 3 years old, 4 years old, ganyan. Tapos, unfortunately, where they were in the mall, he went into heat.
Okay.
So, buti na lang itong bata, nagtingin sila ng mapa nung una.
So, alam niyo kung nasaan yung
let's go over there, ganyan. Yon. Tapos, nung he went into heat, napunta sila sa isang banyo. Kasi ang dami na sumusunod sa kanila. Tapos yun, tumawag ito si
yung bata.
Si Takamura. Tapos sumagot yung bata. Tapos, something's very wrong, blah, blah, blah. Tapos tinanong.
Pero yung bata, hindi pa na-detect yun, yung pheromones.
Wala pa pag ganyang age. Wala. At saka anak siya eh.
So, walang effect sa kanila, supposedly. Okay.
So, tumawag nga siya. Tapos tumagot, sabi, take a deep breath and tell me where you are. Your Daddy Harumi's boy, you can do it. So, nakilala niya na tumingin siya ng mapa. Sabi niya, I remember, blah, 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 blah. Tapos yun, dumating na yung bata. Ay, dumating na si
Takamura. Nag-teleport na siya uli.
Tapos yun, as usual, nangyari sa kanila and everything, ganyan. Hindi, okay na. Tapos, etong next child nila, si Hayato, 3 years old, 6 na tong si
Bunsoma.
Si Shoma. Tapos, they tried to do the first task.
Okay.
So, as usual, sumusunod, nakasunod si Kazuma, naka-crop top.
Aksidente.
Due to accidents and whatever. Yan ang nangyari sa kanya. So, yan. As usual, ganyan. So, ang dami nangyari. As usual. Natawa ko ng tawa nangyari yan. And then, sabi lang ni Soma, Daddy Kazuma's playing invisible, so let's just ignore him.
Matalino rin yung bata, no?
Alam mo yung bata eh. Ito si Hayato. Same as him. Clumsy. Extremely clumsy.
Omega.
Oo. So, he turns out to be an Omega. And then,
So, extra alaga yan from the kuya.
Oo. Nagbigay siya ng seminar sa kanyang anak.
Seminar talaga.
Oo. So, Hayato at 10 years old, he was declared as an Omega. And very similar sa kanya. So, sabi niya na, I was careful to use medication until medication myself until I met your father. So my gender never really caused me any trouble, and I was able to live a peaceful life. So that's not really what happened. Of course, he had nung bata siya. Siyempre, nandun yung kapatid niya to protect him. And nung pagtanda niya na while he's working, he has the unofficial
Protection group.
Consumer protection group.
And he didn't realize that.
Yeah, I don't think so. He's very naive.
So he thinks that he's doing perfectly fine. Hindi niya
Oo.
naisip na may taong mag-aalaga sa kanya.
Wala naman ka. Naisip niya siguro na wala man nangyayari sa akin, so it's fine.
Oo, hindi niya naisip na because of people protecting him.
So yun pala, may nangyari sa kanya nung bata siya na he was almost kissed and everything. So yan,
Ayun yung kuya niya?
Hindi.
Akala ko
Eh yun, nung bata siya, he's probably like 10 or something bago siya ma-declare as an Omega. So, Alpha pala to.
Sino man yun?
Kapitbahay nila before.
Okay.
So yan, nakwento niya na that brings back memory. I wonder where he is. Don't you realize he was coming on to you? You seriously have no sense of danger, sabi ni Takamura. So yun. Ito kunento niya yung nung high school siya. So, Harume, 40 years old, those guys were entitled, privileged bunch who were convinced they were the center of the world. So, dahil nasa elite school siya, halos lahat ng Omega na elite doon tried to get with him.
Oo, kasi alpha
So,
siya na ano eh. Omega
they
elite
believe-
meaning sila yung mga mayayaman.
Oo.
Okay. Pero Omega, malas.
So, yung mga Omega na deliberately stopping
To beat up.
suppressant
Oo. Para sa kanya.
to be with him, nai-ignore niya. As in talagang walay. So, dead man lang siya,
Wapakelt talaga siya.
He's the extreme heat. Hindi pa siya nag-suppressants nun and everything. So, yan. Okay na.
Okay.
Doon sa 14,
Parang
nawala yung, ito last na to, parang nawala yung pagiging niya. Clumsy
Clumsy?
niya. Tinan mo, So, may banana peel. Sabi niya, anong ginagawa ng banana peel dito? Tapos, tinapon na yung basura. Tapos, ito,
Ano ginagawa niya?
laundry. Hindi, yung laundry na. Ano siya sa laundry? So, na-save niya yung sarili niya. Hindi siya natumba.
Okay.
So, it's been very awkward na gano'n. Sabi
Na nawala yung clumsiness niya.
parang nagtataka ngayon yung dalawang anak niya. And, syempre si Takamura.
Anong
Pati yung
nangyari?
kanya protection group.
Nagtataka
Sabi-
sila anong nangyari sa kanya.
Mr. Oda hasn't spilled any coffee. He hasn't dumped any documents on the floor. Sabi gano'n. Tapos, he has not gotten to hit in years yata after ni Hayato. So, yun, biglang dumating sa eksena si childhood almost rapist. Tapos binigyan yung card. And as usual, biglang dumating yung pagiging clumsy niya.
Bakit? Ano nangyari?
I don't know. So, ganun lang. Parang, nag-sorry lang itong
For what happened in the past?
And he gave the business card, like, if ever you want to be in contact, blah, 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 ganyan. Tapos, nakita yung dating Omega na nung high school din si Takamura, and then yan. So, sabi niya, I'm a middle-aged man who doesn't go into heat anymore. I'm average and just plain clumsy.
So, ano na siya?
Socially and in just about every way. I know I'm not a good match for you, but no matter what, even when I become an old man, I won't let anyone else have you. So, ang ginagawa pala ngayon, ni Takamura, like a few days before he goes into heat, kasi alam niya na yung parang cycle, he has sex with Kazuma, parang to stop the actual heat.
So hindi pala siya issue.
Oo.
Sinasadya, alam niya na talaga
Oo.
pala, para hindi pa pahama.
Oo, sinasadya na time niya na.
Oo, galing niya eh.
Because he's an elite. So itong last na to, was parang unusual circumstance na parang hindi plano yung pag-inhit niya.
Tapos nag-inhit siya.
And then, yun na. Yun na yung ending nun. So, that is all.
Medyo komedyante nga, nakakaloka.
Yeah, I really like this kasi walang drama.
Oo.
Tatawa lang. Diyos ko. Ano ka na.
Tsaka ang weird na pag nakakami siya sa katawan niya, lagi natatapon. Pag sinasadya talaga eh.
Yun nga din na thinking ni ano talaga, ni Takamura.
Sinasadya,
Kasi
oo.
nga, laging gano'n, parang sexy criminal nga na kanya. So, yun. So, it's funny. That's why.
Yes. So, gusto na yung ginawin ko kanina pa.
Activity.
BL Activity. Bye.